Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Akita Inu Coin on your Trust Wallet application step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to open up your Chrome application, and this can be simply done by opening up Chrome and heading over to coinmarketcap.com. Once you're at coinmarketcap.com, I'll be pasting the link for the Akita Inu Coin in the video description below. All you need to do is simply scroll down. The Akita Inu, something you should note, the Akita Inu is built on both Ethereum and the Avalanche blockchain. So we'll be simply copying this Ethereum, the Ethereum version, I think. Yeah, we'll be copying the Ethereum and heading over to Trust Wallet, like so. Once you're at Trust Wallet, you input your passcode, because Trust Wallet is quite secure when it comes to access to its applications. You input your passcode, you head over to the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on that, you simply scroll down, or you could just input Akita Inu, and Akita Inu shows up. But what we are going to do is adding it as a custom token. It's on the Ethereum network already. You paste the address, you click on done, and boom, Akita Inu is added to your Trust Wallet. And then for the Avalanche network, you minimize and head over to Chrome. You copy the Avalanche. You click copy. Once that's done, you head back to Trust Wallet. You input your passcode again. Add the custom token. Set it to the Avalanche network. Avalanche C chain. You paste the address. You click on done as usual. And boom, it's Akita Inu on the Avalanche network. It's been added to your Trust Wallet. So what we're going to do now is buying the Akita Inu by simply heading over to the app section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once that's done, we scroll down to the popular exchange platform section. We click on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap loads up. Okay guys, and once Binance opens up, we're simply going to be heading over to the Binance. Okay guys, and once PancakeSwap opens up, we're simply going to be heading over to the smart chain icon at the top of the screen and select it. Once that's done, we're going to be changing the network to Ethereum, like so. PancakeSwap is going to reload in response to that. You click on this wallet symbol to make sure your wallet is connected. And our balance isn't being showed. Hold on. Ethereum. Okay, that particular Ethereum is on the smart chain network. So what we're going to do now is convert our Akita Coin, manage tokens, CoinGecko tokens, okay, Akita Inu. Akita Inu is what we're going to be searching for. It shows up, we click on Akita Inu, and you can simply swap your Ethereum. You can simply swap your Ethereum to Akita or your Akita to Ethereum, whichever is the request you'd be making. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in to today's video. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to buy the Akita Inu coin, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.